A high salary can make you look rich, but financial education decides whether you stay rich. Millions earn big money and still live in fear. The problem is not income. The problem is ignorance. Imagine two people. One earns a very high salary, the other earns an average income. Years later, the high earner is stressed and drowning in debt, while the average earner is calm and financially secure. This happens because salary alone never guarantees financial success. Society teaches us to chase high-paying jobs from school to college. The goal is always more income, but no one teaches us how to manage money. No one explains saving, investing, or planning for the future. This missing knowledge creates lifelong financial struggle. A high salary without financial education is dangerous. It gives confidence without control. People start spending more because they believe the money will never stop. Bigger houses, expensive cars, and costly lifestyles slowly trap them in financial pressure. Many high earners live paycheck to paycheck. Their income looks impressive, but their bank balance tells a different story. One emergency, one job loss, or one crisis can destroy everything. Without financial education, money disappears as fast as it comes. Financial education teaches you how money actually works. It explains budgeting, saving, and planning. It helps you understand the difference between wants and needs. When you learn this, money becomes a tool, not a master controlling your life. A salary depends on a job. A job depends on the economy, health, and luck. History shows that even top professionals can lose income overnight. Financial education prepares you for uncertainty and teaches you how to survive without panic. When income stops, fear begins, unless you are prepared. Financial education teaches emergency funds and smart risk management. It gives you a safety net. Instead of panic, you have a plan. That confidence is priceless. High salary earners often confuse income with wealth. Income is what you earn. Wealth is what you keep. Financial education shifts focus from spending to building. It teaches you to protect money before enjoying it. Without education, people increase expenses when income increases. This lifestyle inflation quietly destroys savings. Financial education teaches discipline. It trains you to delay pleasure today for freedom tomorrow. This mindset changes everything. Financially educated people focus on assets. Assets generate income even when you sleep. These can be investments, businesses, or skills. You don't need to be rich to start. You need knowledge and consistency. Compounding is one of the greatest lessons of financial education. Small amounts, invested wisely, grow over time. Many high earners ignore this and lose decades of opportunity. Time rewards knowledge, not just money. At retirement age, many high salary earners are forced to keep working. Their money never worked for them. Financial education ensures your money supports you instead of depending on your labor forever. The real goal of money is not luxury, it is freedom. Freedom from stress, debt, and fear. Financial education gives control over choices. You work because you want to, not because you are desperate. Financial knowledge also protects future generations. When one person understands money, they teach their family. This breaks cycles of poverty and poor decisions. A salary ends with you. Education continues through generations. High salaries can disappear. Companies close. Skills become outdated. Markets change. Financial education adapts with time. It grows stronger and more valuable with experience, unlike income that can vanish instantly. In the end, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how well you manage, protect, and grow it. That is why financial education will always be more important than a high salary.